Hello! Welcome to Attic Treasures video newsletter. We're going to cover three things today. We're going to cover our sales information, our class information, and our tip and technique, which is on interactives. Okay? First, our sales information. Friday after Thanksgiving is considered Black Friday, and we're going to have some Black Friday sales. Our one-day sale for Black Friday is everything in the shop is going to be 25% off. Our sewing machines and our embroidery machines will also have specials on them. Along with that, there's Black Friday, what we call financing. And that's going to run through Friday after Thanksgiving through Monday after Thanksgiving. And that will have special pricing with same as cash for 12 months to 36 months, and that depends on your purchase, the quantity that you purchased. Okay, so that's what we have for Black Friday and the days following. So if you have those special things that you're thinking of buying or you want to put on somebody's list, now's the time to drop down to the shop and check everything out. Okay, now our classes. We have 2 classes scheduled for 2011. The first one that we have already scheduled is for February 5th. That is our Metro Backpack Pattern class. And this is the backpack that you will be making. This is an all-day class for the Metro Backpack, and you will go home with a completed backpack. Like all our classes, our objective is to make sure you go home with a completed project. So go on our website or call the shop and you can get the details on that class. Our second class that we have scheduled is for May 21st and May 22nd. And Judy Kessinger is going to be here, and we're going to have a top class on the first day, Saturday, and on Sunday will be pants. You will construct using a master pattern and customizing for your measurements the pattern. Okay, and then you will have the construction of the top and the slacks. Okay, there will also be on Sunday a trunk show of all the items that she has with the variations on her master patterns. It's really a class you don't want to miss. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so that's our classes that we have scheduled, which we will have more scheduled. We just haven't finalized them yet, and we will update you when those new ones come available. But for the 2 we have, contact the shop for the details and register today. Judy Kessinger is limited to 15 people, so you don't want to miss. Okay? Now moving on to the interactives. All right, many of you may have an interactive CD that you can use. It's a standalone CD that has designs that you make. Okay, we're going to show you how you execute the interactives. Here, when you load the CD, you'll have an icon called Interactives. Okay, when you click on that Interactives, and I did try, click on Interactives, you'll have your menu. We're going to click on Christmas Traditions. Okay, and there's several things you can make, including reindeer and a sleigh that are 3D. But we're going to go into the snowflakes. You can make thousands and thousands. In fact, I think they've already calculated it's actually into the millions on the snowflakes. Billions. So when you click on the little ABC and the snowflake, then you have a tab that says snowflake. When you click on that, you've got your options of 6 or 12 points. And you select what you want. You can go whole, a hub, just the hub, or spoke. Whatever you click on, it shows on the screen. Here, we've got 12 spokes and we want the whole thing. The size of it is a slider, and as you slide it, it will get larger or smaller depending on which way you go. And down in the lower right hand corner gives you the size of what the snowflake will be, and when it's yellow and then going to red means it's a warning that it may be too large for the hoops that you have available. Then, when you do decide and you can slide. You got your hubs. You can slide this and it changes your hubs, as you can see, your length. Okay, just slide. When you see one that you like, you want to save it, because chances are you're never going to find it again. And to save any of the interactives, when you see the design on the screen here that you want, you go and you want to save it, you go up to the save icon. You click on the save, and then you go to whatever folder or what directory you want. We happen to be going to our C drive and a folder that we have that's called A Interactives. You put the name of the design that you want to give it, and then you can select whatever format, because these are not specifically for just BabyLock. They encompass all the machines and all the formats. So you select on the format that you want, okay, whichever one it is, just select it, and then give it a name, okay, and save. And then it'll be saved into. Now it's warning me that it's larger than what is recommended. And do you really want to save it anyways? You can say yes or no. And then it's saved on your disk. These are the interactives. Some of it real quick, like on the snowflake, we have a snowflake tree here. And what this is just different sizes of a snowflake. Just by doing the slide of size, and then you save it, and then make it smaller or larger. And when you've got like 10, 12, you stack them onto a letter holder that you can get in your supply store. Separate the snowflakes with one of the pony beads, okay? And you've got a Christmas tree. When the season's over, you can dismantle it and lay it flat, and it's easy storage. We're working also on in the interactives. Actually, here's the interactives folder, and you'll see on the cover there's a 3-sided Christmas tree, and this is for just a triangle which you make in Christmas traditions. And what we're working on is making this and then decorating it. You can embroider on it, and that's what some of the things. This is through shapes, and you just change the size. Instead of 4 sides, you go 3 sides. So if you have any of those interactives in a drawer somewhere, pull them out and start playing with them. You'll see they're a lot of fun. Come into the shop. We've got the interactives, and the interactives will be marked down for 40% through Christmas. So come on in and check it out.